Today we will learn tailwhip. The best way to train it is to find a step up or fly out in a skate park.
I'm standing right here, demons all around, but I ain't got no fear. You can kick me round, but I won't stay down. I run this town, ain't backing down. We going them rounds. Yeah, the winds will blow, but these roots too deep. I'm on my feet, the underdog, and I won't be beat. In the fire now, but I won't be burned. I was waiting for this, and now it's my turn. Sweat on my face, blood in my eyes. Been underground, now I aim for the sky.
Approach the jump as usual, just think like you're doing on a footer. Once in the air, kick the bike with your back foot to your favorite side. As for 360, the front foot sets your rotation side. So right foot forward, right rotation. Left foot forward, left rotation. If you're confident doing the opposite, you are a goofy rider. With your arm, design a circle to give more rotational forces to the frame. Get ready to catch the frame with your front foot once it's coming. Then you just need to find the pedal back and get ready to land. If you do everything right, you will feel the bike in the air pulling you over the bar. If not, your position is probably too vertical and you'll need to stay more over the bar. For this trick, you need a bike with a gyro. You can find it on Bikeflip. Now take it to the next level.
Bikeflip, the bicycle marketplace.